Okay, y'all, but we was talking about, I don't know, but hi YouTube. This is a new video. This is just a little vlog. I'm sitting at the park, bro. It's 4:20. You know me. Had to go to the park. But y'all, I had to do something with my hair real quick. The shit looks crazy, y'all, but right around the corner. It's right around the corner. Time to get it done. Y'all, I gotta wait. I don't even fucking know, bro. I'm waiting for one fucking class to get this final exam so I could tell my mom the day of that exam so I can fucking leave. Cause after I take that test, I'm fucking leaving. I'm leaving. I am leaving. But y'all, but yeah, after I take that test, I am leaving and I'm not coming back. Like, I'm sorry. This fucking car is just throwing me the fuck off. It's throwing me the fuck off. Like, I would throw this scooter at your car, my nigga. Like, drive your fucking car before I get the plate. Like, I'm sorry, y'all. Like, I'm ready to come home. Sierra loves to go. No, because I don't want to smoke in the dorm. That's one thing Sierra just can't get the heart to do yet. Like, I don't give a fuck. It's like I know I don't give a fuck, but it's like, it's disrespectful. Why the fuck would I just sit there and do it when I could just go outside and just smoke? But it's like, I could just put the little baggie over it, bro. But it's just like, it's no reason to. Like, bitch, I will go sit in the little circle right there. I will go sit there. I'm sorry, I will. The park is not the place, but it's daytime. It's daytime, so I was like, why the fuck not? And then it's something that's supposed to start at 7 o'clock today anyways. And I was gonna go look at it, go see what was going on. But I was gonna go to Dollar General. I did say I was gonna go to DGX and give me something to eat. Yo. Like, at this point, I don't want to make eye contact no more. Y'all, look at this. This is why I need to get my hair done. Y'all, I've been going through it. Girl, alright now, because if I beat your ass, would I be wrong? Like, bro, like, should I pack up my shit real quick and just bop with the fucking with the purse? Throw the water. Bop. It didn't go. Like, who are you looking for? Like, maybe I seen them. Maybe. Okay, y'all. I'm letting people throw me off. This is supposed to be... Y'all, I would walk the park. It has a trail. It has a trail. Or maybe I could do a little jog vlog for y'all. A jog vlog. Y'all are haters. I'm funny as shit. Like, a jog vlog, like nature. Like, I don't know. Like, do y'all watch shit like that? I don't. I'm not gonna lie. I don't. But I've seen shit like that before. You know what? I'm gonna go watch a video now. A jog... No, because... Yeah, I've seen shit like that before. Y'all, I'm just talking out my head. I'm thinking. I'm trying to think of more videos I can do on this channel. Thanks for the comments, y'all. Very supportive. I love it. Help it. I'm taking it as y'all want me to choose the object. Y'all want me to choose what the fuck I want to do. And that's good for me. I need to do that shit anyways. I need to actually think of my own shit, honestly. So, my bad for cussing, y'all. My bad. But, y'all, I'm having a time of my life. I actually am. Okay. I'm trying to think of something I can talk about. Y'all, have y'all ever tried this though? It's really good. I like it. Y'all. It has a stream, but it's nasty. It's nasty to me. I wouldn't want to step in it. And that's nasty. If I don't want to step in it, dip a toe or something, nasty. I would show y'all, but I don't know if it's going to be able to see it. But okay, let's see. I am a... Is that what it is? I'm a freshman in college, y'all. That's where I'm at. School. I think y'all might know this. Who knows? But I'm a biology major. I ain't gonna lie. I like biology shit. I like the science of it all. I do. But y'all, it's not what the fuck it's supposed to be. They're not teaching what they're supposed to be teaching. I don't care. Bruh. I wanted like bones, like biology I wanted was supposed to be like with bones. Like animals, yeah, but I'm gonna get into it. I wanted bones. I wanted animals. I wanted like planet, like solar system, shit like that. I wanted to learn the shit like that. Bruh. The first semester biology I took, bro, it was sales and shit. And I fucked with that. I was like, okay, we finna learn this. I'm cool with that. Bro, that nigga did circle. I got pictures. I have pictures. Nigga did circles and circles and circles and circles and like, bro, the whole semester was fucking circles, my nigga. The whole, bro, I'm gonna show the pictures and you're gonna see like circles. Like we didn't learn shit in that class, my nigga. I'm not gonna lie. Don't know what the fuck I was doing in that class, bro. I'm not gonna lie. That shit is wild. Y'all, that shit is wild. But no, circles. We drew fucking circles that whole fucking semester, my nigga. And okay, y'all. So second semester. This semester, I don't fucking know. I don't fucking know what this class is. Like, I'm not gonna lie. This is me in the classroom. Like, this is a perfect meme picture for it. That's the perfect meme picture. Plants everywhere. I don't mind the plants. I don't give a fuck. He got fishes. I don't mind the fishes, bro. He brought out a snake. I think he said they got spiders. I don't mind it. But it's like, what the fuck are we learning, bro? Bro, like, right now we're on like plants and fungi and shit like that. We're on that. But before, I couldn't even tell you what the fuck we was learning, my nigga. I don't know. That was funny though. But okay. But yeah, they didn't have pictures to be. A little mini me. Girl, what? I can only imagine, bro. Like, we're both gonna have steak ass faces. Like my baby is gonna have an attitude. I just know it. Like, I just know it. Cause it's like the baby be feeling what the fuck you feel. And people really be pissing me off. Like, no. Like, people really do be pissing me off. And I'm just sitting here like, what the fuck? Like, yo. People really be pissing me off. Like, I don't even know what it be sometimes. Like, I don't even know what it be sometimes. It just be pissing me off. And I just be sitting there like, damn, be pissing me off. Y'all. Subscribe, like, comment, please, anything, feedback, anything. Y'all, I could take criticism. Y'all can tell me criticism. I can take it. I can take it. Nothing too hurtful, though. Nothing too hurtful. Sierra, I'm ready to get my hair done. I am. Y'all, my birthday is coming up May 7th. Let them know. I'm weak. Sierra's funny, but teacher canceled today. Didn't even know. Went to class and everything. I was like, damn. Took my ass upstairs. Went to sleep. Y'all, I do want to go to the store. Yo, I need to find some shit, bro. But y'all, I can't wait for my birthday. I know what I'm gonna wear though. Like, I do know what I'm gonna wear, but I'm trying to see how I can spice it up, give it a little me to it, cause it's not me. It's not something I would normally wear. So I wanna spice it up. But yo, no. That shit would be fine. I gotta think of it though. Like a top. That's cute, but I don't see it on me. Not on me. Like, shit like that be cute as fuck, but not on me. And then I get cold fast too. I be quick to throw on a jacket, jean jacket. I don't know. No, I am hurt. About that. I was supposed to get a jean jacket for Christmas, and I didn't get one. I'm not mad about it for real, but it's like, damn, I do need one. But I'ma get me one. I wanna go to the mall. I'ma do a vlog eventually. I'ma be at the mall. I might. I'ma go to the mall for sure. But a vlog, I might try to vlog, or I'm going to the food court. We know Sierra's going to the food court, so I'ma vlog at the food court. If I got anything by then, y'all look at da. Y'all know me. If you live, man, North Carolina, let me know. Like the North Carolina area, we could be friends. For real. I do need friends, but I don't know. We gotta start off friends by ourselves or something. Like, I can't do no big group friends. I can't do that. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not. It be too much going on already. I can't do that. Because I like to meet people one-on-one, so I can actually build a bond with you first, and then if we eventually have a friend group type shit, but that's how it should be. That's how I think it should be. But as far as meeting friends here, I don't know, y'all. Everything seems fake. I'm not gonna lie. Everything be seeming fake. Fake love and shit. I don't know. But Sierra's not tripping though, cause she be having fun by herself. If somebody, I be telling them this all the time. Like, they be like, you don't come outside, da. If you invite me out, I'll come. But If nobody's inviting me out, what's the point? What's the point? You know? I was just telling you about me. I'm 19, finna be 20. I'm a Taurus, if y'all didn't know. I don't know. I really don't know. I'm gonna try to do everything. I'm not gonna lie, at least one thing of everything, you know? Something different. Because right now I know it's all been the same shit, me just talking. But at this time I gave you guys some nature in the background. Let me see. I love it though. Like, that's actually really pretty. Like, that's super pretty. Like, if I wasn't me, I would think this shit is fake as fuck. I'm not gonna lie. Like, on some real shit. Like, if I didn't know, like, if I just seen this video on TikTok or something, I would think the background is like a filter. I'm not gonna lie. This shit is fine. Y'all, I want y'all to know it's real. Like, y'all, it is real. It do look a little fake. I'm not gonna cap. But, like, I'm at the park and everything. It's real. Like, I want to touch it. Drum roll. I'm funny. But, y'all, I'm sorry. I'm having a little burst of energy at the moment. Get up. I'm a chatterbox. I like to talk sometimes. I like to talk. It just depends. Sierra is funny. She talks a lot. But not in a bad way, like in a good way. Like, I be trying to keep the conversation going. Shit. I don't know. First person I see, I'm not even gonna cap. I go to the first, like, when I be, like, if I go out somewhere, I'm going to the first person I know. Like, I'm not gonna cap. Like, say somebody's here, there. 9 times out of 10, I'm going to, like, that first person. I'm like, hey, what you doing? And then I don't know. I just go to whoever I see. If I feel like I want to talk to somebody, I'm gonna come up to you. I don't know. It's just easier. They don't be talking about shit. Like, my friends, they don't really be talking about nothing. They just be talking, and I just be listening. Just be listening. I be having the time of my life. Man, I don't know. Sierra be chilling. But don't nobody talk to me, though. Nobody talks to me. I have to talk to everybody first. And that's just crazy to me. But it's crazy to me. I gotta talk to everybody first. But it's crazy, though. I guess y'all be thinking I'm playing. I don't be knowing what the fuck to say. Like, I don't even go out for real. Like, that social interaction shit is gonna be awkward. I don't go out. Ain't nobody listen to what the fuck I'm saying for real. But again, I'll be like, hi or hey. Well, probably hey. I'll say hey. But I don't know. I be trying everything. I just don't. I don't know. Baby, oof. That was fast. I'm gonna get a bird, y'all. I don't know. I don't know about a bird now. I want a cat. I really do want a cat. I do want a cat. Y'all, a gray, like a cat, this color, honestly, like a little gray, blue-eyed cat. And I wanted to start off as a baby. I wanted to start off as a baby. I want one real bad. I'm finna ask my daddy to give me one. Nigga know how to get everything. Just get me a nice little cat. Because I need an emotional support animal. I'm not going to cap. Because I felt like I had one somewhat. I be chilling. It was like, ooh. It was clingy. But I don't know. I guess I got prepared for it. Cause I know that cat gonna be like, damn, this bitch is clingy. I'm like, come here, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty. I'm gonna be aggravating. I'm gonna be aggravating. Kitty, kitty. I'm so serious. Girl. I'm gonna find a cat. I was trying. I did try. Oh, wow. I'm outside. This is, y'all, it be giving filters. I don't know. Maybe it's just the phone. I ain't even gonna cap. Only thing I'm waiting on is something to eat. But the line is long as hell, and I don't feel like standing up for that long. So I was trying to wait till it like died down just a bit. And then I'll get my ass up. But I'm sitting on the side right now, just waiting. And then I want to go to Dollar General before they close. I'm not even gonna cap. See, it looks like a filter. Maybe it is. But because they close at 10. I think it's like 8:30 maybe. Can y'all even hear me? Because the music is kind of loud. I could barely hear myself. Oh shit, y'all. The line got way fucking longer. I'm not even finna cap. I'm probably not getting nothing. That's what the fuck I keep forgetting. Smart little banana. I'm the smartest thing. But I did want one. So I don't know how long they're here to. Like, are they here to 11 or? Who knows, because this ends at 11. And I don't want to go to the store and then try to come back and it be gone. I'm going to be mad. I don't know. I don't know nobody. Y'all, I'm finna go to Dollar General though. Go to Dollar General. Because if I miss both, I'm gonna be mad. But if I miss Dollar General and the damn food truck, Sierra's gonna be mad. Like, how you don't got neither? Like, how you don't got neither? But y'all, I don't know. We just be talking to each other. I could do this. Just chill. Find a little chill spot. It's the food, bro. It's for the ask. I'm not even gonna cap. I'm really finna ask my friend. He's in the line, and I'm not trying to wait, bro. I'm not trying to wait. Give me a second.